I've actually been using the Cleanfix ever since I started with this machine, or since it has been in use in our company. And so far, there's nothing negative to say about it. It makes perfect sense to install one. Especially here in the forestry sector, because of the dust development. Even in summer or in damaged wood when the dust is extreme. I can save myself the trouble of sweeping out the cooler or blowing out the radiator. So I clean my radiator screen once a week and manage my temperatures without any problems. The machine doesn't overheat, and as I said, I'm quite satisfied.